Hi, I'm Bill Fidelli with Armor Tool. I'm here to talk to you about our auto adjust technology. For those of you that have used toggle clamps, you're well aware of the need to continuously adjust the pressure every time you change the material thickness that you're working with. Auto adjust represents a monumental breakthrough in clamping technology because you can set the pressure once and the clamp automatically adjusts to the thickness of the material you're working with. So for example, in the mechanism here, and we call this the cool of the tool, this is where you set the pressure. You can use a Phillips head screwdriver or your hand to adjust the set screw, and you can adjust the pressure ranges between 25 and 500 pounds. So from very light pressure to very strong pressure. But once you set that pressure, you can change the size of the material you're working with and it'll hold that pressure.